Michael is down today, and I'm going to use him for some heavy-duty yard work. So it's a really beautiful day. We were kind of hankering for barbecue ribs, but neither of us wanted to get the grill out. So we're going to do a crock pot rib, and I'm going to show you how to substitute some things that some of the recipes will call for. First of all, we're going to start out with, I have 1 can of petite diced tomatoes, and I've mashed them up just a little bit more. Now the recipe calls for 1 cup of tomato juice, but we're going to use the entire whole can, a 14.5 can of petite diced tomatoes, kind of mashed up, and I'm just going to put those in my crock pot. The recipe does not call for, but since Michael and I like sort of a sweet and sour type on our barbecue sauce, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Kind of dice that out in there a little bit. I need 1 tablespoonful of chili powder. One teaspoon of oregano. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Now you can also do this in the oven. I have here 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar and 1/2 cup of cooking oil. And I'm just going to add that in there. Give that a nice little stir. Now, if you're a person that really likes a tomatoey base on your barbecue sauce, go ahead and add about 3 tablespoonfuls of ketchup to this. Michael and I, neither one, care for a real tomatoey taste. It kind of tastes metallic to us, so we don't use that. And I have diced 1 medium onion. Now here I have almost 3 pounds of baby back pork rib, and I'm just going to put that in there, and then I'm going to turn it over and coat it on both sides. Put your meaty side down with your bone up, and we're going to do that to the other 2 pieces. And then I will turn my crock pot on high, and we're going to cook this about 6 to 8 hours, depending on how well done we want those ribs. And then I'm going to take Michael outside and show him what real yard work is. Boy, as you get older, you get stupid and forgetful. I forgot to add the garlic. Now you can use 1 clove of fresh garlic or a good heaping teaspoon of minced garlic that's in oil. And we're just going to put that in there, and then I'm going to stir that around because I want that on all of the meat. Okay, our time is up on our barbecue. After about 5 hours, you should probably begin checking it. See if I can get a hold of that, bring it up. Oh, it's just falling apart off of the bone. Get rid of that bone. There we have it. A delicious crock pot barbecue, along with Michael's slab potatoes.